The Ministry of Agriculture and Animal Resources estimates that the revenue from the financial institutions and investments in agriculture is 5.2% compared to investments in other sectors. This is at a time when the National Development Acceleration Plan is expected to reach 10.4%. Joseph Gafaranga is a potato and corn farmer and the Secretary General of the Imbaraga Rwanda Farmers Organization. He says there is still a gap in the interaction between farmers and the financial institutions. Jean Bosco Yachu, the Director of Access to Finance Rwanda, says that there are changes in the development of agriculture in collaboration with various sectors and will be effective in solving the problems faced by farmers, a thing reiterated by his counterpart Jerry Joas Ndikumana, the CEO of AB Bank, Rwanda.
More importantly, there's a lot that needs to be done, both at the demand, supply side and policy levels, including even the regulatory level. We need to be sure that the farmers are well equipped to face the bankers and discuss and see how their proposals or business plans can be funded, and this will require that we build their capabilities really in that sense. Number two, on the supply side, it's very critical that lenders understand this segment. It's a segment that should be priority for them. But also understand the risks, those that are real and those that are perceived, because there are also perceived risks, because when you don't know the sector, then you feel everything is risky, which is not correct. So for those real risks, that's where development partners like Access to Finance Rwanda will come in and say, can we help you de-risk together with the government?
I may say that the agri-sector also is an active sector and is profitable. Because if you look on NPL for agriculture sector is very low compared to other sectors. So I may say that what we need is to invest more and to such a way of approaching agri people.
Jean-Paul Ndagijimana, Agra Country Manager, says that in the 15 years that Agra has been operating in the country, much has been done to help farmers get more produce and better crops.
In future, we are focusing on facilitating people in agriculture to do it, to make money, to make profit. And the first key area we are tackling is the area of access to finance.
Dr. Jean Chrysostome, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Animal Resources, explained that there is going to be a special focus on the agricultural sector.
We are discussing to see if even an agriculture fund can be availed. Yes, many things are being done through BDF, through our project. We have a matching grant where we give a half of the investment. The farmers can search for the second part. But we think for sustainable way, we need to see how we can structure our financing model in agriculture and at least have a funds in which we can increase every year, so to make sure that money for agriculture is available. Of course, with an interest rate affordable.
The agricultural sector accounts for 26% of the country's gross domestic product, 70% of which is exported, and employs about 70% of the working age population in the country.